Before we reveal what this viral formula actually does, we strongly recommend watching this video until the very last second, as every detail counts for your consumer safety. Subscribe right now to join our independent research community and uncover the shocking truth that Amazon reviews won't tell you. It starts as a faint itch, a minor discomfort you ignore while rushing through your morning routine. But beneath the surface, a silent crisis is unfolding. Every single day, your body sheds roughly 40,000 skin cells from your feet alone. It is supposed to be a flawless, self-regenerating shield designed to protect you from the harsh outside world. Until that shield completely breaks down. Most people mistakenly think of cracked skin on their heels as a mere cosmetic flaw. They view it as a minor embarrassment during summer sandal season. But the biological truth is far more alarming. It is a sign of structural failure. When the deep layers of your epidermis lose their basic moisture, the skin doesn't just dry up. It literally splits open under pressure. It tears apart at a microscopic level, creating deep fissures that turn your heels into an open gateway for bacteria and constant, agonizing pain. For years, millions of people in the United States have been trapped in a vicious, unending cycle. They spend hundreds of hard-earned dollars every single month on thick, greasy petroleum jellies, painful pumice stones, and expensive spa treatments that only mask the symptoms for a few brief hours. But what if the entire approach is wrong? What if the real solution is not about covering up the cracks from the outside? What if it is about completely rewriting how your individual skin cells hold on to water molecules? Today, we are going deep into the science of cellular hydration. We will uncover why traditional remedies fail you, and how a newly upgraded bioformula is quietly disrupting the entire modern skincare industry. To truly solve this painful daily mystery, we must first analyze the biological victim. The specialized skin on your heels is unlike anything else on your body. It has a unique cellular structure designed to handle incredible stress. Unlike the rest of your skin, the bottom of your feet contains absolutely no sebaceous glands. That means your heels cannot produce natural oils to keep themselves lubricated or flexible. They rely entirely on sweat glands and external moisture sources to maintain their elasticity. Every single time your foot hits the ground, your entire body weight crashes down directly on your heels. To handle this massive pressure, the skin on your feet expands sideways. If that skin is perfectly hydrated, it stretches effortlessly, like rubber. But if it lacks proper moisture, the tissue snaps violently like old, brittle plastic under a hammer. Environmental factors act as the ultimate hidden accomplices. Central heating inside American homes during winter strips the indoor air of all humidity. Long, hot showers wash away the natural lipid barrier. And wearing open-back shoes increases constant friction, pulling away whatever tiny amount of moisture remains. When these deep cracks penetrate past the surface and break into the dermis layer, they strike live nerve endings. This turns every single step you take into a terrifying gamble against sharp, radiating pain. Walk down the skincare aisle of any major retail store, and you will find hundreds of lotions promising overnight miracles. But a closer look at their chemical ingredients reveals a dark truth. Most traditional foot creams are packed with cheap mineral oils and heavy petroleum waxes. These ingredients are designed to sit on top of your skin, creating a suffocating, greasy barrier that gives you the immediate illusion of intense hydration. But at a molecular level, these compounds are far too large to ever penetrate the thick stratum corneum layer of your foot. They simply trap old, dead skin cells underneath, actively preventing your body's natural exfoliation process. The moment you wash that heavy cream off, your feet are left just as dry as they were before. It is a brilliant business model for corporations to keep you dependent on buying a product that never actually cures the underlying condition. True, lasting repair requires a completely different approach. It requires a formula that actively builds a microscopic cellular grid inside the skin to lock hydration deep within the tissue. Enter the premium Securpo upgraded hydrating and anti-cracking foot cream. Unlike standard cosmetic lotions, this specialized formulation is a highly targeted treatment system, meticulously engineered for the unique, thick skin architecture found on human hands and feet. This upgraded formulation targets the two distinct root causes of cracked heels at the exact same time: intense exfoliation of dead tissue and deep-level cellular saturation. When applied, rich, highly concentrated moisturizing agents immediately find their way into those deep, painful cracks. Instead of sitting like an oil slick, the cream absorbs almost instantly without leaving any annoying, slippery, or greasy residue behind. What truly makes this specific formula a total game changer? It is its versatile, multi-action capability. It does not simply soothe surface irritation, it actively works to repair damaged, rough cuticles, addresses peeling skin on your toes, and seals in long-lasting hydration. Whether you are an athlete dealing with constant friction, a professional standing on hard floors for 12 hours a day, or someone suffering from seasonal dryness, the underlying biology of this unique cream works universally across all age groups and skin types. Thousands of everyday users who had completely given up hope on traditional remedies have shared their transformation stories online. With an exceptional, verified rating from over 700 real buyers on Amazon, the data speaks for itself. This affordable cream has quickly become an essential staple to live a normal life free from the constant sting of cracked heels. The Securpo upgraded foot cream is currently available right now on Amazon for an incredibly accessible price of just $6.99. If you are ready to finally break the painful, endless cycle of dry, cracking skin, the solution is right in front of you. Simply check the very first pinned comment or the description section directly below this video to secure your official bottle today before the current promotional stock runs out. Invest in your daily physical comfort, take control of your skin health, and step confidently into a much smoother, pain-free tomorrow. But before you make your final decision, there is a critical warning you must understand about leaving severe heel fissures untreated. Deep, open cracks in the skin are not just a cosmetic annoyance, they are structurally unstable. Over time, the constant pressure of your body weight forces these microfissures to widen even further, exposing delicate, uninsulated dermal layers to household dust, fabric fibers, and invisible environmental pathogens. In severe cases, this cellular neglect triggers a cascading inflammatory response, leading to localized swelling, deep infections, and a condition where simply standing up in the morning becomes an unbearable ordeal. This is exactly why dermatologists emphasize that foot care is not a luxury or a weekend spa trend, it is a critical pillar of your body's foundational health. By addressing the structural failure of your skin layers today, you are actively preventing chronic mobility issues tomorrow. To guarantee these results, this advanced bioformula was put through rigorous clinical testing under extreme conditions. Experts monitored skin barrier recovery under simulated harsh environments, mimicking both the freezing dry winds of an Alaskan winter and the scorching heat of the Arizona desert. While traditional petrolatum-based products failed within 2 hours, leaving the skin suffocated but internally dehydrated, the advanced cellular grid built by this cream maintained an optimal 92% hydration level even after 12 hours of continuous exposure. This is the exact reason why elite athletes, long-distance runners, and high-intensity fitness trainers in the US are quietly swapping out their expensive custom foot balms for this exact preparation. It accelerates the cellular healing of existing micro-tears before they can evolve into deeper issues. Don't wait until the pain forces you to act. Secure your bottle through the link below and experience the science of professional repair.